Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Fluidmaster Bleach Cartridge refill. A game changer for anyone looking to keep their toilet clean without the hassle of scrubbing. This innovative product not only saves you time but also delivers powerful cleaning performance with every flush. The Fluidmaster Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaning System is designed to provide effective and hands-free cleaning for up to 3 months. This is made possible by its specially formulated bleach cartridge, which automatically dispenses cleaning solution with every flush. Say goodbye to outdated toilet cleaning tablets that can damage your toilet's internal components and hello to a solution that is safe, effective, and easy to use. Installation is a breeze. The universal design fits most toilets and can be set up in just a few minutes. No plumbing skills required. All you need to do is follow the straightforward instructions included in the package. Plus, the system eliminates the mess often associated with traditional cleaning methods. First, you'll need to turn off the water supply to your toilet and empty the tank. After that, simply insert the Fluidmaster cartridge into the overflow tube and reattach the tank. Once everything is secure, turn the water supply back on, and you're good to go. It really is that simple. One of the standout features of this system is its advanced cleaning formula. The bleach not only cleans but also deodorizes, leaving your toilet bowl crystal clear and fresh smelling. You'll appreciate how it prevents stains and buildup, making your toilet maintenance a lot less frequent. Fluidmaster offers an upgraded blue cartridge version as well, which is perfect if you prefer a longer-lasting clean. This new formula cleans faster and lasts longer between changes. Both cartridges are easy to replace, taking less than a minute to swap out, so you can maintain that sparkling toilet with minimal effort. Unlike traditional methods that require constant scrubbing and the use of harsh chemicals, the Fluidmaster system provides a hassle-free alternative. Just imagine enjoying a clean toilet without the effort. Every flush does the work for you. Durability is another hallmark of the Dansko Cane cloths. Crafted with high-quality materials, they're designed to withstand everyday wear and tear. The Easy Clean feature means a simple wipe with a damp cloth can keep them looking new, making them an excellent investment for your wardrobe. This means less time worrying about upkeep and more time enjoying your day. To wrap it up, the Fluidmaster Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaning System with Bleach Cartridge is undoubtedly a top choice for anyone looking to streamline their toilet cleaning routine. It's powerful, easy to install, and safe for your toilet's components, making it a must-have for modern households. If you're ready to make toilet cleaning less of a chore, this is the product for you. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning.